Usage, synonyms and antonyms. Abscond verb abscond फरार होना. Usage, the prisoner tried to abscond from jail. कैदी जेल से फरार होने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Similar words, synonyms: flee, escape, bolt, run away. Opposite words, antonyms: stay, remain, face, surrender. Baffle verb baffle भ्रमित करना. Usage, the complex puzzle baffled everyone. जटिल पहेली ने सभी को भ्रमित कर दिया. Similar words, synonyms: confuse, perplex, bewilder, mystify. Opposite words, antonyms: clarify, explain, simplify, illuminate. Cajole verb cajole मनाना. Usage, he cajoled her into going to the party. उसने उसे पार्टी में जाने के लिए मना लिया. Similar words, synonyms: coax, persuade, entice, wheedle. Opposite words, antonyms: discourage, deter, repel, dissuade. Defer verb defer स्थगित करना. Usage, they decided to defer the meeting. उन्होंने बैठक को स्थगित करने का निर्णय लिया. Similar words, synonyms: postpone, delay, reschedule, put off. Opposite words, antonyms: advance, hasten, expedite, move up. Exasperate verb exasperate क्रोधित करना. Usage, his constant questions exasperate me. उसके लगातार सवाल मुझे क्रोधित कर देते हैं. Similar words, synonyms: irritate, annoy, aggravate, infuriate. Opposite words, antonyms: calm, soothe, pacify, placate. Facilitate verb facilitate सुगम बनाना. Usage, the new software will facilitate our work. नया सॉफ्टवेयर हमारे काम को सुगम बनाएगा. Similar words, synonyms: ease, assist, aid, expedite. Opposite words, antonyms: hinder, obstruct, impede, complicate. Gloat verb gloat आनंद लेना. Usage, she couldn't help but gloat over her victory. वह अपनी जीत पर आनंद लेना नहीं रोक सकी. Similar words, synonyms: revel, delight, relish, take pleasure. Opposite words, antonyms: sympathize, commiserate, regret, lament. Hamper verb hamper बाधा डालना. Usage, the heavy rain will hamper our progress. भारी बारिश हमारी प्रगति में बाधा डालेगी. Similar words, synonyms: hinder, impede, obstruct, inhibit. Opposite words, antonyms: facilitate, aid, assist, promote. Illuminate verb illuminate प्रकाश डालना. Usage, the street lights illuminate the road at night. Street लाइटें रात में सड़क को प्रकाशमय करती हैं. Similar words, synonyms: light up, brighten, clarify, elucidate. Opposite words, antonyms: darken, obscure, complicate, confuse. Jettison verb jettison बाहर फेंकना. Usage, the crew had to jettison some cargo to lighten the ship. चालक दल को जहाज को हल्का करने के लिए कुछ माल बाहर फेंकना पड़ा. Similar words, synonyms: discard, dump, throw away, eject. Opposite words, antonyms: retain, keep, hold, save. Kindle verb kindle प्रज्वलित करना. Usage, the camper kindled a fire to keep warm. कैंपर ने गर्म रखने के लिए आग प्रज्वलित की. Similar words, synonyms: ignite, light, spark, and flame. Opposite words, antonyms: extinguish, douse, quench, smother. Linger verb linger ठहरना. Usage, they lingered at the cafe long after their meal was finished. वे खाने के खत्म होने के बाद भी कैफे में ठहरे रहे. Similar words, synonyms: stay, remain, loiter, dawdle. Opposite words, antonyms: leave, depart, proceed, advance. Magnify verb magnify बड़ा चढ़ाकर बताना. Usage, the lens can magnify tiny objects. लेंस छोटे वस्तुओं को बड़ा चढ़ाकर दिखा सकता है. Similar words, synonyms: enlarge, amplify, exaggerate, enhance. Opposite words, antonyms: reduce, diminish, shrink, downplay. Nurture verb nurture पोषण करना. Usage she nurtures her garden with great care. वह अपने बगीचे का बड़े ध्यान से पोषण करती है. Similar words synonyms nourish, foster, cultivate, support. Opposite words antonyms neglect, abandon, ignore, deprive. Obscure verb obscure अस्पष्ट करना. Usage the clouds obscure the sun. बादल सूरज को अस्पष्ट कर देते हैं. Similar words synonyms hide, conceal, cover, mask. Opposite words antonyms reveal, expose, clarify, illuminate. Pacify verb pacify शांत करना. Usage the mother tried to pacify her crying baby. माँ ने अपने रोते हुए बच्चे को शांत करने की कोशिश की. Similar words synonyms calm, soothe, appease, placate. Opposite words antonyms agitate, provoke, enrage, incite. Quench verb quench बुझाना. Usage he drank water to quench his thirst. उसने अपनी प्यास बुझाने के लिए पानी पिया. Similar words synonyms extinguish, douse, slake, satisfy. Opposite words antonyms ignite, kindle, inflame, arouse. Rebuke verb rebuke डांटना. Usage the teacher rebuked the student for being late. शिक्षक ने देर से आने के लिए छात्र को डांटा. Similar words synonyms scold, reprimand, chastise, admonish. Opposite words antonyms praise, commend, compliment, laud. Saturate verb saturate संतृप्त करना. Usage the rain saturated the soil. बारिश ने मिट्टी को संतृप्त कर दिया. Similar words synonyms soak, drench, immerse, flood. Opposite words antonyms dry, dehydrate, parch, desiccate. Tarnish verb tarnish कलंकित करना. Usage the scandal tarnished his reputation. कांड ने उसकी प्रतिष्ठा को कलंकित कर दिया. Similar words synonyms stain, blemish, sully, defile. Opposite words antonyms polish, clean, purify, enhance. Uphold verb uphold समर्थन करना. Usage the judge upheld the decision. जज ने फैसले का समर्थन किया. Similar words synonyms support, maintain, defend, sustain. Opposite words antonyms overturn, reverse, oppose, undermine. Vindicate verb vindicate सही ठहराना. Usage the evidence vindicated his claim. सबूत ने उसके दावे को सही ठहराया. Similar words synonyms justify, defend, exonerate, clear. Opposite words antonyms accuse, blame, convict, charge. Waver verb waver डगमगाना. Usage she did not waver in her decision. उसने अपने निर्णय में डगमगाहट नहीं की. Similar words synonyms hesitate, falter, vacillate, oscillate. Opposite words antonyms decide, resolve, persist, continue. Yearn verb yearn तरसना. Usage he yearned for his homeland. वह अपने वतन के लिए तरस रहा था. Similar words synonyms long, crave, desire, pine. Opposite words antonyms despise, dislike, detest, hate. Zeal noun zeal उत्साह. Usage she worked with great zeal. उसने बड़े उत्साह से काम किया. Similar words synonyms enthusiasm, fervor, passion, eagerness. Opposite words antonyms apathy, indifference, lethargy, disinterest. Abate verb abate कम करना. Usage the storm has abated. तूफान कम हो गया है. Similar words synonyms lessen, diminish, reduce, subside. Opposite words antonyms increase, intensify, escalate, amplify. Benevolent adjective benevolent परोपकारी. Usage the benevolent man donated to charity. परोपकारी व्यक्ति ने चैरिटी में दान दिया. Similar words synonyms kind, generous, altruistic, compassionate. Opposite words antonyms malevolent, selfish, cruel, unkind. Candid adjective candid स्पष्टवादी. Usage, she gave a candid reply. उसने एक स्पष्टवादी उत्तर दिया. Similar words, synonyms, honest, straightforward, frank, open. Opposite words, antonyms, deceitful, dishonest, insincere, evasive. Daunt verb, daunt भयभीत करना. Usage, the task did not daunt him. कार्य ने उसे भयभीत नहीं किया. Similar words, synonyms, intimidate, discourage, dishearten, deter. Opposite words, antonyms, encourage, hearten, embolden, inspire. Eccentric, adjective, eccentric, अजीब. Usage, he is known for his eccentric behavior. वह अपने अजीब व्यवहार के लिए जाना जाता है. Similar words, synonyms, odd, unconventional, peculiar, quirky. Opposite words, antonyms, conventional, normal, ordinary, typical. Fervent, adjective, fervent, उत्साही. Usage, she is a fervent supporter of the cause. वह इस उद्देश्य की उत्साही समर्थक है. Similar words, synonyms, passionate, ardent, enthusiastic, zealous. Opposite words, antonyms, indifferent, apathetic, dispassionate, unconcerned. Gregarious, adjective, gregarious, मिलनसार. Usage, he is a gregarious person who loves to socialize. वह एक मिलनसार व्यक्ति है जो मिलजुल कर रहना पसंद करता है. Similar words, synonyms, sociable, outgoing, friendly, extroverted. Opposite words, antonyms, introverted, shy, reserved, solitary. Heinous, adjective, heinous, जघन्य. Usage, the crime was truly heinous. अपराध वास्तव में जघन्य था. Similar words, synonyms, atrocious, wicked, evil, abhorrent. Opposite words, antonyms, noble, good, virtuous, commendable. Impeccable, adjective, impeccable, त्रुटिहीन. Usage, her performance was impeccable. उसका प्रदर्शन त्रुटिहीन था. Similar words, synonyms, flawless, perfect, faultless, immaculate. Opposite words, antonyms, flawed, imperfect, blemished, defective. Jubilant, adjective, jubilant, उल्लासित. Usage, the team was jubilant after the victory. टीम जीत के बाद उल्लासित थी. Similar words, synonyms, elated, overjoyed, ecstatic, thrilled. Opposite words, antonyms, sad, depressed, unhappy, mournful. Keen, adjective, keen, उत्सुक. Usage, she is keen to learn new things. वह नई चीजें सीखने के लिए उत्सुक है. Similar words, synonyms, eager, enthusiastic, interested, avid. Opposite words, antonyms, indifferent, apathetic, uninterested, dispassionate. Luminous, adjective, luminous, चमकीला. Usage, the stars were luminous in the night sky. रात के आकाश में सितारे चमकीले थे. Similar words, synonyms, bright, shining, radiant, glowing. Opposite words, antonyms, dim, dull, dark, gloomy. Meticulous, adjective, meticulous, सूक्ष्म. Usage, he is very meticulous about his work. वह अपने काम के बारे में बहुत सूक्ष्म है. Similar words, synonyms, careful, precise, detailed, thorough. Opposite words, antonyms, careless, negligent, sloppy, haphazard. Nostalgic, adjective, nostalgic, smritiman. Usage, she felt nostalgic about her childhood. उसे अपने बचपन की याद आई. Similar words, synonyms, wistful, reminiscent, sentimental, homesick. Opposite words, antonyms, indifferent, unsentimental, unemotional, apathetic. Obstinate, adjective, obstinate, hati. Usage, he remained obstinate despite our attempts to persuade him. वह हमारे समझाने के प्रयासों के बावजूद हठी बना रहा. Similar words, synonyms, stubborn, inflexible, unyielding, adamant. Opposite words, antonyms, flexible, yielding, compliant, agreeable. Plausible, adjective, plausible, विश्वसनीय. Usage, her explanation seemed plausible. उसकी व्याख्या विश्वसनीय प्रतीत हुई. Similar words, synonyms, believable, credible, reasonable, feasible. Opposite words antonyms: implausible, unbelievable, incredible, unlikely. Quintessential adjective: quintessential, आदर्श. Usage: he is the quintessential gentleman. वह आदर्श सज्जन है. Similar words synonyms: perfect, ideal, exemplary, ultimate. Opposite words antonyms: imperfect, flawed, substandard, atypical. Resilient adjective: resilient, लचीला. Usage: children are often very resilient. बच्चे अक्सर बहुत लचीले होते हैं. Similar words synonyms: tough, strong, hardy, flexible. Opposite words antonyms: fragile, weak, delicate, brittle. Sublime adjective: sublime, महान. Usage: the view from the mountain top was sublime. पहाड़ की चोटी से दृश्य महान था. Similar words synonyms: magnificent, splendid, grand, majestic. Opposite words antonyms: mundane, ordinary, mediocre, inferior. Tenacious adjective: tenacious, दृढ़. Usage: she has a tenacious grip on her beliefs. उसके विश्वासों पर दृढ़ पकड़ है. Similar words synonyms: persistent, determined, stubborn, resolute. Opposite words antonyms: weak, yielding, surrendering, indecisive. Ubiquitous adjective: ubiquitous, sarvavyapi. Usage: smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern life. स्मार्टफोन आधुनिक जीवन में सर्वव्यापी हो गए हैं. Similar words synonyms: omnipresent, pervasive, widespread, universal. Opposite words antonyms: rare, scarce, infrequent, uncommon. Venerable adjective: venerable, सम्माननीय. Usage: the venerable professor has taught for over 50 years. सम्माननीय प्रोफेसर ने 50 से अधिक वर्षों तक पढ़ाया है. Similar words synonyms: respected, revered, esteemed, honored. Opposite words antonyms: disrespected, dishonored, unworthy, contemptible. Witty adjective: witty, chatur. Usage: his witty remarks always entertain the crowd. उसके चतुर टिप्पणियां हमेशा भीड़ का मनोरंजन करती हैं. Similar words synonyms: clever, humorous, amusing, sharp. Opposite words antonyms: dull, boring, unamusing, serious. Xenophobic adjective: xenophobic, विदेशी लोगों से नफरत करना. Usage: his xenophobic views were not welcome. उसकी विदेशी लोगों से नफरत करने वाली राय का स्वागत नहीं हुआ. Similar words synonyms: prejudiced, intolerant, racist, bigoted. Opposite words antonyms: tolerant, open-minded, accepting, inclusive. Yielding adjective: yielding, लचीला. Usage: the material is very yielding and can be easily shaped. सामग्री बहुत लचीली है और आसानी से आकार ले सकती है. Similar words synonyms: pliable, flexible, supple, accommodating. Opposite words antonyms: rigid, inflexible, unyielding, firm. Zephyr noun: zapper, halki hawa. Usage: the zephyr was a welcome relief on a hot day. गर्म दिन में हल्की हवा एक स्वागत योग्य राहत थी. Similar words synonyms: breeze, gentle wind, draft, puff. Opposite words antonyms: gale, storm, hurricane, tempest. Admonish verb: admonish, चेतावनी देना. Usage: the teacher admonished the students for being late. शिक्षक ने देर से आने के लिए छात्रों को चेतावनी दी. Similar words synonyms: reprimand, scold, rebuke, warn. Opposite words antonyms: praise, commend, compliment, applaud. Belittle verb: belittle, तुच्छ समझना. Usage: she belittled his efforts in front of everyone. उसने सभी के सामने उसके प्रयासों को तुच्छ समझा. Similar words synonyms: demean, disparage, deprecate, downplay. Opposite words antonyms: praise, magnify, laud, extol. Cognizant adjective: cognizant, सजग. Usage: he is cognizant of the challenges ahead. वह आगे की चुनौतियों के प्रति सजग है. Similar words synonyms: aware, conscious, knowledgeable, informed. Opposite words antonyms: unaware, ignorant, oblivious, unmindful. Defiant adjective: defiant, virodhi. Usage: the child was defiant and refused to obey. बच्चा विरोधी था और आज्ञा मानने से इनकार कर दिया. Similar words synonyms: rebellious, insubordinate, resistant, disobedient. Opposite words antonyms: obedient, compliant, submissive, yielding. Eloquent adjective: eloquent, प्रभावशाली. Usage: she gave an eloquent speech that moved everyone. उसने एक प्रभावशाली भाषण दिया जिसने सभी को प्रभावित किया. Similar words synonyms: persuasive, articulate, expressive, fluent. Opposite words antonyms: inarticulate, mute, tongue-tied, unclear. Frugal adjective: frugal, मितव्ययी. Usage: he lives a frugal lifestyle. वह मितव्ययी जीवन शैली जीता है. Similar words synonyms: thrifty, economical, sparing, prudent. Opposite words antonyms: extravagant, wasteful, lavish, prodigal. Gaudy adjective: gaudy, भड़कैला. Usage: the dress was too gaudy for my taste. पोशाक मेरे स्वाद के लिए बहुत भड़कीली थी. Similar words synonyms: flashy, showy, garish, loud. Opposite words antonyms: tasteful, elegant, subdued, plain. Haughty adjective: haughty, घमंडी. Usage: his haughty attitude annoyed everyone. उसका घमंडी रवैया सभी को परेशान कर गया. Similar words synonyms: arrogant, conceited, proud, snobbish. Opposite words antonyms: humble, modest, unassuming, meek. Ignite verb: ignite, प्रज्वलित करना. Usage: the matchstick ignited the fire. माचिस की तीली ने आग प्रज्वलित कर दी. Similar words synonyms: light, kindle, inflame, spark. Opposite words antonyms: extinguish, quench, douse, smother. Jovial adjective: jovial, खुशमिजाज. Usage: he has a jovial personality. उसकी खुशमिजाज व्यक्तित्व है. Similar words synonyms: cheerful, jolly, merry, amiable. Opposite words antonyms: gloomy, morose, sullen, dour. Knavish adjective: knavish, छलिया. Usage: his knavish tricks were discovered. उसकी छलिया चालें पकड़ी गईं. Similar words synonyms: deceitful, dishonest, unscrupulous, rogue. Opposite words antonyms: honest, trustworthy, upright, honorable. Lethargic adjective: lethargic, sust. Usage: the hot weather made everyone lethargic. गर्म मौसम ने सभी को सुस्त बना दिया. Similar words synonyms: sluggish, inactive, listless, drowsy. Opposite words antonyms: energetic, lively, active, dynamic. Melancholy adjective: melancholy, उदास. Usage: she felt a sense of melancholy after the movie. फिल्म के बाद उसने उदासी का अनुभव किया. Similar words synonyms: sad, sorrowful, gloomy, despondent. Opposite words antonyms: happy, cheerful, joyful, elated. Nefarious adjective: nefarious, niche. Usage: the villain's nefarious plans were foiled. खलनायक की नीच योजनाओं को विफल कर दिया गया. Similar words synonyms: wicked, evil, sinful, malevolent. Opposite words antonyms: virtuous, righteous, honorable, good. Ostentatious adjective: ostentatious, दिखावटी. Usage: the ostentatious display of wealth was uncalled for. धन का दिखावटी प्रदर्शन अनुचित था. Similar words synonyms: flashy, showy, pretentious, flamboyant. Opposite words antonyms: modest, humble, simple, unpretentious. Placid adjective: placid, शांत. Usage: the lake was placid and beautiful. झील शांत और सुंदर थी. Similar words synonyms: calm, serene, tranquil, peaceful. Opposite words antonyms: agitated, turbulent, disturbed, noisy. Quaint adjective quaint अजीब. Usage the village had a quaint charm. गांव में अजीब सा आकर्षण था. Similar words synonyms charming, picturesque, curious, unusual. Opposite words antonyms modern, ordinary, commonplace, usual. Robust adjective robust मजबूत. Usage he's in robust health. वह मजबूत स्वास्थ्य में है. Similar words synonyms strong, sturdy, healthy, vigorous. Opposite words antonyms weak, fragile, feeble, delicate. Sanguine adjective sanguine आशावादी. Usage she is sanguine about the future. वह भविष्य के बारे में आशावादी है. Similar words synonyms optimistic, hopeful, confident, positive. Opposite words antonyms pessimistic, doubtful, uncertain, negative. Terse adjective terse संक्षिप्त. Usage his terse reply indicated he was in a hurry. उसके संक्षिप्त उत्तर से संकेत मिला कि वह जल्दी में था. Similar words synonyms concise, succinct, brief, laconic. Opposite words antonyms verbose, lengthy, wordy, elaborate. Uncanny adjective चारों.